to show you how to safely disassemble the Comandante for cleaning and maintenance. We're also going to be swapping out the stock axle and installing the Red Clix accessory. It's a process that doesn't require any tools and can be done within a minute. The burrs are extremely sharp when brand new, and there are no instructions to perform the installation. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. The Red Clix provides half a step in between stock settings and was designed for use in competitions. One click is approximately 15 microns in particle resolution. Thus, the stock resolution from one click is 30 microns. Inside the box, you'll find a silicone band. This is to provide extra grip when hand grinding with your Comandante. There's also a red adjustment clicker dial. This helps indicate that you have changed the stock axle to the Red Clix axle. Also included are 2 spacers and a much softer spring. Lastly, we have our Red Clix axle. The much tighter threads allows you for double the adjustments. Alright, let's go ahead and take this guy apart. Just another warning, please be careful. The burrs are extra sharp when brand new, and the first time I did it, I actually cut myself. The safest way to do this is having your 2 fingers pin the burrs together, while leaving one finger pinning the burrs together. You have the other hand free to easily unscrew the adjustment dial. Now you can remove the inner burr. With it comes the stock spring. You can go ahead and push that axle straight out. Be sure to keep the spacer. Now you have access to all the moving parts to your Comandante grinder. It is open for easy access and easy cleaning. I've already cleaned this before the video to show you and demonstrate the ease of assembly. Shown here side by side, you can easily tell which one is the Red Clix axle and which one's a stock axle. On the left hand side, you can see the threads are much wider and spaced out more than on the right hand side. When assembling the grinder, you have to be mindful of the orientation of the spacers. Shown here, this is the groove side. The groove side faces towards the bearings or the inside of the grinder, while the flat side faces towards the end. As demonstrated here, the groove side faces towards the bearing or the inside of the grinder, while the flat side faces towards the end of the grinder. The spring is swapped out and placed inside the inner burr. This makes for easy assembly. The burrs are then pinned together with 2 fingers, leaving one there and another hand free. You can grab the dial and tighten it back in. And that is how you disassemble, clean, and install the Red Clix accessory on your Comandante grinder. If you found this helpful and enjoy the content, leave a like on the video and subscribe for future ones ahead.